Hello everyone, is your AC not staying in cool mood and switching back to fan mode? Don't worry, today I will show you exactly how to keep your AC in cool mode properly for maximum cooling. First, check your remote mode, press the mode button and make sure it is set to cool mode, not fan or dry. Set your temperature between 18 to 24 degrees. If the temperature is too high, the AC may stop cooling and behave like a fan. Set fan speed to auto or high for better cooling. Low speed can sometimes make it feel like fan mode. Check if timer or sleep mode is on. These features can change AC behavior and reduce cooling. If your room is already cool, AC compressor may stop automatically and only fan will run. This is normal. Dirty filter can also cause weak cooling. Clean your AC filters regularly. Always keep doors and windows closed for best cooling performance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others. Thank you very much.